There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today I wanted to come on here and talk to you guys about how you take care of your cornrows under your wig. I mean, most of us, we are the champions of cornrow. I mean, it's like every time your hair is in a cornrow, it's done and it's forgotten, and you just keep wearing your wigs and wear your wigs and wear your wigs until you feel like, ugh, I need to change this cornrow now. Is my scalp is itching me too much and all of that. Truth is, I've always wondered, what do you do to your scalp, to your hair rather, when it's in a cornrow and you're about, you know, changing wigs from one wig to another. You just keep going. Every time I have a question about hair, Google is the next thing that comes to my mind. I keep saying it every time. Google should be your best friend. Besides your bestie and whoever is your best friend, Google should be your number one best friend, because trust me, there is nothing you want to think about. There is no thought that has come across your mind that hasn't passed through the mind of somebody else that they haven't asked Google. So Google is basically like the smartest thing on earth right now. So my hair has been in the cornrow for about a week and some days now. So I started to feel like my hair was drying up really fast and my scalp was itching me, you know, somehow, not like crazy itchy, but I realized that because I've been wearing my wig every time, I feel like my hair dries out. Do you get what I mean? As your hair starts to dry, it begins to break off, and I thought, oh dear, what am I going to do about it? So I quickly went on Google and I did a couple of research. I already know what I'm supposed to do, especially when, like, it's just like when your skin is dry. You know, if your skin is dry, you need to moisturize, meaning you need to apply your body lotion. So the same thing for my hair. I thought, if my hair is dry and it's in a cornrow like this, what am I going to do about it? So I did research, and if you're interested to hear and to see what I found, please keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you aren't, also click the bell beside it so you get notification every time you upload a new video. And come with me guys, let's get into this video. All right, so number one, before you even start putting your hair in a cornrow, before you go to a stylist or someone to help you put your hair in a cornrow, the first things first you want to do is to shampoo your hair. You never ever want to put your hair in a protective style when the hair is dirty and unkept, like it's dirty, it's dry, it's flaky. You don't want to do that. I know there are people who have done that before, and I think I'm guilty. I think I've done that in the past years. I can't remember, but I know I must have done that at one point in time. I feel like after washing, you need to condition the hair. Now, there are two different types of conditioning. I feel like a lot of people still don't know this. There's something called deep conditioning, and there's something called conditioning on its own, and there's another thing called leave-in conditioner. It's a lot of words, but if you pay attention, you find out this is actually very easy. I do deep conditioning for my hair because it actually, you know, brings back all the moisture, whatever it is I must have lost during shampoo. Because when you're actually washing your hair with shampoo, sometimes shampoo will strip your hair off its moisture, oil, and, you know, in the process of taking away dirt and sweat and all those builds up that have been on your hair for a long time, it will strip your hair of moisture. So you realize that after shampooing your hair, if you leave your hair like that, it becomes dry and very hard for you to detangle. So that's why they always add conditioner. Now, number two is to moisturize your hair. I always notice that every time you go to a salon for them to put your hair in a cornrow like this, nobody has time to have you sit down, give you a scalp massage, apply moisturizer. The least they can ever do to your hair is apply hair cream. That's when you even insist and say, now I don't go put hair cream for my hair, now so now want to place the hair. You don't say the hair go break. That's if you even remember, because sometimes the stylists don't remember, because hello, how much are you even paying them? Say 500 naira. If it's too expensive, 1k. So you want to come and finish their hair cream for normal over, I beg, they'll just put it on the lines, right? they put it on your scalp, which is great because your scalp also needs some moisture, but your hair itself needs moisture as well, right? So if you know they're not going to do it for you, you should do it by yourself at home. Now that means that you have to invest in one of these leave-in strength. Now I always use this Mega Growth. It's amazing, it smells divine, because me, I love things that smell good on my hair every time, all day, every day. And one thing I like about this product, it's a leave-in conditioner, and it's also a break-free. Do you get what I'm saying? So it's great. So if your hair is breaking a lot, you need to invest in this. So I would apply this on my hair, apply my own hair cream, ensure that my hair is fully moisturized, my hair is not dry, because if your hair is dry and you're plating it, there's every tendency that your hair might break, you know, during the process. All right, so have your hair moisturized and you know, all yummy and shiny, and you're ready to go for them to actually weave the hair. Please and please insist that whoever is going to weave your hair is not holding your hair too tight, like they're not weaving the hair too tight, right? There is no need. Honestly, the hair will still get old after a week or two. I mean, this is just 1 week and it's already looking like it's been here for 2 weeks, so there is no need of, you know, plaiting your hair too tight, because you might experience some breakage, you know, during the process of them weaving the hair too tight. And not only experiencing breakage, you just have headache. You'll be feeling very uncomfortable for maybe a couple of days after that. So, and you're going to be putting on wig, remember. So anything that would give your hair tension, especially your hairline and the back of your hair, you should advise against it. So after all is said and done, and my hair is in a cornrow like this, how do I protect the hair? How do I make sure that the hair is moisturized and it's not dry and breaking off? I always go ahead and apply some of my leave-in conditioner, as you can see me do right there. I'm starting from my hairline, my edges, and I'm just applying the product because that's where my hair starts to dry off. Because really, when you wear your wig, it rests on your hairline right there, maybe even further down forward your skin a bit, but that's around where it's, you know, rest, and it stays there like that all day. If your wig is a wig that you can just take it off at night and during the day, that's great. But for some of us that are always on full frontal and they glued it to your scalp, there's really nothing you can do about it. So this is what I like to do. I just put that there and gently give my hairline a bit of massage, and I start to work my way through each line of the hair using the leave-in conditioner.
When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
So I'm just going to keep massaging this.
When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.
Now you don't want to forget this part of your hair as well, because they're also part of the hairline as well. So you can just put some of the leave-in conditioner and go, you know, in between that line, and then I put some of that on my hand. Then I go to the ends of the hair and ensure I get to the tip.
Every night, love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that
the ends of your hair, is very important that the ends of your hair are moisturized as well.
You've been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
So you can do this at night, you can do this in the morning, whatever time is more convenient for you. You get what I'm saying? So yeah.
That I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need.
next thing I'm going to talk about is sleeping in a satin bonnet. You guys know I've had this pink satin bonnet for a while. I think it needs replacement, or I just need to change the elastic band because it's becoming loose. It's not as tight as it was when I got it, but the truth is it still works for me. So yeah, a satin bonnet or a drag or a scarf, anything that is nice that you can use to protect the moisture that you just added to your hair. The point is, we want your hair to retain the moisture. We don't want anything to take away the moisture of your hair. So in conclusion, I'd like to say this to everyone, every single lady watching me right now. Please and please ensure that you take care of your hair underneath your wig. That's just so important. You should feel your hair, listen to your hair, you know, run your hands through your hair. Just know, oh, my hair feels dry, okay, I need to apply some moisturizer to it. Now, so the point of this video was to just tell you guys this is how to take care of your hair under your wig. Ensure your hair is moisturized, ensure you apply the cream, ensure that you give yourself a massage, scalp massage while you're at it. Now I feel like my hair is a bit damp right now because of the leave-in conditioner, so I'm not just going to throw my wig on. I'm going to just leave it like this to air dry on its own. Maybe until I'm going to step out, maybe about an hour from now. Then I can put on my skull cap and then put on my wig, and then I'm good to go. So I hope this video has been helpful. I think it has. If it has, if you liked it, if you enjoyed anything from this video, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you aren't subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.